I knew there was a fish in there. Heck yeah. Hair looking good? It's on point?
You're good, man.
All right, we're good? All right.
Beard is awesome.
Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Boneyard Bassin'. I'm out here with the better half of PdXfishing.
The better half, yeah? We're joking, Mondo. We're joking.
We're out here trying to catch some big ones today. I haven't been here in a while. Memo here says he came out here with Mondo, how long ago?
Probably like a month
ago. Drastic changes out here. Water level's a lot lower. We got some stains, so
yeah, I didn't even know this one. That's something just jumped over.
we got massive carp jumping right now. It's totally tripping us out. So stay tuned. Oh, dude, that was a huge carp. That was a huge carp. This came right up out of the water, straight up like this.
Oh,
So that's not bass.
yeah, not bad.
Whatever, that's still fun. Scared the shit out of me. See if I can get him to bite it. Get bit.
Here we go, guys.
Little dude is hungry.
He is on. That's like the same size Mondo got too, yeah. But we don't care. That's a fish, guys.
Skunk's out of the boat for me, folks.
There we go.
And now if I could just go ahead and get the boat back in order, eh? Sorry. Here, go ahead back over me. Oh, you just reel it in.
On the spinner.
Dude, that was such a subtle bite.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It was like,
You didn't even know what it
I
was,
thought
huh?
maybe it was grass and I was about to rip it through.
Yeah.
And I was like, tug, tug. Oh, no, that's a fish, and just lifted it up.
Ooh. Sickness. Totally disgusting, dude.
That guy had an appetite for spinner baits. You want me to get you closer over there?
Nah, this is good. Where you got that guy? Let's see if we get him again. Older brother. Great grandpa.
Mm-hmm. Yo mama.
Yeah, or your mama.
Yeah. Tell her we're bringing it over here.
Dang. And that's like the yellowish white one, huh?
Yeah, chartreuse white.
Dude, that's the one that Mondo freaking gave me.
You have that? Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I totally would. I mean, if I catch another fish on it, then that's like a for sure like go-to. Like we need to make that happen.
I'm still just gonna put it on no matter what, though. He came off.
No. Oh, the skunk was gonna be out of the boat with that one.
Oh,
It's all right. Where did you have that one? Right on shore?
yeah, basically.
Fish on?
Yeah, that's a better one.
Nice.
Not that better, but
It's a bass.
There we go.
Heck, that one's probably bigger than mine.
Hey guys. That stuff is out. Go again.
Get him.
He's like barely bigger than.
Right there. See it? Right where the end of my rod is. We hit a stick there.
Oh crap, dude.
Is it in there?
Yeah, it's kind of in there. Are you more experienced with that? I'd have gotten one out before, but
He's really small. I might end up jacking him up.
dude, what I've done before is I've always.
You know what we could do is what's it? Oh, it's not that bad. You might have to cut the hook and pull it through. I know, guy. Hold on. I'm trying to be gentle. Here we go.
He's in there.
Oh, I didn't see that. The rest of that. You're good.
There we go. Had to do some surgery. He's a little chunkier than the other ones. He's alive. He's going back.
Okay. Good job.
Right there, man.
Oh. Dude, I was not even paying attention. I was like, I want to fish.
You were gonna go down, huh? For this, or were you just gonna go for
Just a high five.
Oh, okay.
Or we could do the whole like this.
The what? Oh damn.
And then at the end,
Yeah,
like.
I like it. Have you seen Encino Man?
Yep, that's where it was. That's what I got that from.
I can't even do the sound effects Mondo does that shit. Yeah, no. I can't.
Wheezing the juice.
Yeah.
Pauly Shore, man. Love that guy. Oh yeah, we're on. Oh, came off. That was a pig. Freaking dude, did you see my rod?
I saw your pole, bro. Look how skinny he is, too. There we go. Damn, he's skinny. And he's like freaking white.
Hungry.
Check it out. Nice, dude. Wait, did it change your color?
It's turning into the Hulk.
Get him. Come on, bro. Come on. Dude, that was huge. Dude, that was huge. You missed it.
I think he just nibbled on it. Mine.
Oh. He just nibbled.
Oh.
Come on. Oh, dude.
Bird's coming for him.
No, yeah, he's seen him. Look at him. He's looking over. Dude, if I would have had the popper on.
Hey, we're fishing here.
Dude, one.
That's what's happening to these fish.
He was just chilling there, bro. Screw that. I'm gonna put the popper on.
No.
Oh my god.
Totally went for my spinner.
Yeah. He seriously thought you had a fish on.
Oh my god,
What an
that's funny.
asshole. Oh, bro.
Oh man.
Dude, did you see that? The one that
Oh,
took one from
oh,
mine?
I so did. I watched the wake come up behind it and everything.
And then he followed it a little bit. See that?
Mm-hmm. Look, he's coming back for more. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Here, I'm gonna trick him. I'll cast over here. Oh, I'm on.
You're on, dude. You're on. That's a nice one, no?
I don't know. I'm looking at the bird.
There, bro.
Calm your tits. Oh shit! Stopping. You're splashing water and I can't see. All right, you can just hang out. I'm gonna keep fishing. Are you done? Oh, there we are.
Oh yeah, right there. There we go, guys.
That herring's like, man, no, there goes my dinner. He's all pissed. He's mad too right now. Guys, we made a destination change.
Oh yeah, it's going down.
And we're about to be throwing some frogs and spinners for big bass. Ain't that right?
Hell yeah, bro. Everybody's about to see right now. Oh, we're on.
Like that. Nice. See if I can't get a double up here. Biggin? Feels good?
Feels good.
That'll do. Look at that toad. Oh yeah.
Trailer hook.
See, he swiped at it.
Dang.
Told you. It's a critical.
Just like that.
He looks really brown.
Right? Get that crap out of you, dude.
What's that? Yeah.
Ooh. Hell yeah, son. Oh yeah. Under the tree.
Under the tree, pitching it in there.
Shaboom.
That'll
On the
do.
brushy. Dang, dude. Just swallow that GoPro hole.
Love it. Yeah, just pitched it right under there. I had a feeling.
Oh, goody. Right there, Sam.
Heck yeah. Can
You
I
got a
get?
weight on that too?
Huh?
Oh, just weightless?
Yeah.